up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm here to share with you the Caribbean hair growth secrets that you've been sleeping on. It is major when it comes to hair growth, guys, and length retention. It has sleep, so much sleep, guys. The minute it touches your hair, it hydrates your hair immediately, guys, and it has tremendous benefits to your hair. So you like what you see, go ahead and like this video, and of course stay tuned to the very end because I'm going to reveal for you all these Caribbean leaves, guys. Okay, I am Maryam Kapama. I do DIY video using natural ingredients to grow out your hair longer, healthier, thicker, and voluminous. So go ahead and subscribe, and of course click the notification bell so get notified every time I do an upload here on my channel. And of course, if you're my OG, my regular returning supporter, I so much appreciate you and have so much love for you. Just go ahead and comment down below and also like this video. If you don't follow me on the gram, I don't know what you're doing, because if I'm not on YouTube, I'm there on the gram. So go ahead and follow me. I use NandyKP. All handles are down in the description box, guys. So the leaf of the day is the okra leaf, guys. Okra leaf is amazing. It has been used as a remedy for hair growth for the Caribbean people for a long time, guys, and also not just the Caribbean, different cultures around the world have been using this plant, and it's amazing, guys. I myself have been using and I love it. I'm here to share it with you guys. Okra leaf is amazing. It's packed with high quality of fibers, guys. It has sleep that's going to hydrate your hair so much. It also contains antioxidants, and also it's full in protein, so it's going to strengthen your hair strand and you're going to retain so much length with this. I'm plucking out 2 of these leaves, and there's so much enough because I'm making a portion for myself alone, so these 2 leaves are pretty much enough. So next I'll be using, oh my god, the one and only famous of all days, the tuna plant, the scrunchy needle, the cactus, my go-to. If you know me, you know I use cactus a lot, guys. And if this is your first time seeing me here on YouTube, I have done this video separately. I've done the cactus video alone, so I'm going to leave each secret with different video. So if you're a beginner, you go start with those video after you finish watching this one. Okay, so I'm taking one of these tuna leaf or cactus leaf, and they are amazing, guys. They have so much sleep that's going to hydrate your hair tremendously, and they're going to clean your scalp as well. Next leaf, I'll be using the okra itself, guys. Okra is amazing. It contains vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K, guys. It also contains calcium, iron, manganese, zinc, and of course potassium, guys. Clean these leaves because you know you don't want to put dirt to your hair, guys. Once you have everything cleaned up, it's time to, we chop them so they can give what they have easily. The okra leaf has a lot of sleep, guys. A lot of sleep. It's going to add definition to your hair. It's going to define your curls. It's going to moisturize your hair, guys. I can't even say enough. I just want you to stick with me to the very end so you can testify this for yourself. Cutting everything into smaller pieces just to help them give out the sleep factor, so they help with the definition of the hair, and of course they can give out their best because the okra contains the benefits and contains high content of nutrient, as I mentioned before, but as well as the tuna plant. The tuna plant or the cactus plant is a great source of vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, and also contain iron, calcium, potassium, and omega-3, guys. Cactus also has high fatty acid, which are great for hair growth and hair development, guys. Okay, also cactus has this vitamin E that works as a great antioxidant which fights free radicals, that contains amino acid, which is a good stimulation of collagen production. So cactus is going to make your hair really soft. It's also going to prevent your hair from falling out. It's also great for your scalp. It can also make your hair grow out faster, guys. So after you have everything chopped, you're going to add everything to a mixing jar. Adding in hot water, which is going to help these nutrients gives out their best into the water, because we're going to be using the water in our hair, so we need to extract the nutrients from the leaves to the water, guys. So we'll be stirring this occasionally with the difference of every 10 minutes. We're going to leave this for 30 minutes to 40 minutes just for it to give enough sleep, guys. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okra, I've done a video on okra itself and it's amazing. So if you haven't used any of these leaves alone, just go ahead and start. I'll leave everything in the description box, so be sure to check them, because okra itself is amazing and I've been using it. And also cactus is also very good. I've also been using it. I'm going to leave all these video down in the description box so you can get to see them after this video, guys, after you finish watching this video. If you've tried one of these, let me know down in the comment section so I'll know you are following. And of course, smash the like button if you're getting values. Leave me some green emojis and I'll know that you're going to try this. You see the sleep factor just few minutes after letting it sit. It's amazing, guys. It's so quick. This treatment in general, it's going to restore damaged hair, it's going to condition your hair, it's going to moisturize dry hair, it's going to stop itchy scalp, it's going to fight dandruff, it's going to promote, and it's going to have your hair glowing and so soft and shiny. And also the sleep is going to leave your hair very defined, so that
makes sense, not the ganga.
So once you strain everything, you can throw away the residues because you really don't need them anymore. And you can add the water, the okra water, the cactus water, the whole thing that you have in your applicator bottle for easy application, because this whole process is messy. So just so you know, it's going to get messy, and stay prepared. So it's best if you add it on an applicator bottle for easy application process, guys. So that's the bottle I'm using. You can use any bottle that you have access to. Now time of application. As always, we section our hair, and these are the tools I'll be using: an afro comb and a detangling brush. So section your hair into sections for easy application, guys. Once you have everything in section, oh my god, the minute it touches your hair, the curls define themselves and it hydrates immediately. It cleans the scalp, it's soothing the scalp, and it makes your hair shiny, guys. So if you like to watch hair videos like I do, I want to keep you enjoying. Let me put some music so you enjoy this application process, because it's the same one that I use all the time here on my videos. Just go ahead and like this video if you're getting values. You see the slip that I was talking, it's defining your curls, so your finger just go through it. You don't even need a comb or anything, because it defines your hair quickly. So starting from the end, you just comb out the hair just to make sure you don't have any tangles. So you keep going up like that, and when you finish, making sure you don't have any tangles or knots in your hair, then you go in with the detangling brush now. But I feel like I've been talking too much, so I just want you to enjoy this video, and of course I'll see you guys later.
Make sense, not the ganga.
now that we have our hair moisturized and secured in braids, that's what we have, guys. I told you it's going to get messy, and you see the drip is real, but the hair is super duper moisturized. So guys, I'm going to link everything down in the description box. If you haven't checked those videos, so you can go ahead and check them, and I'm also going to leave them on the screen, and I'm also going to leave you to binge on the playlist that I prepared, these secrets of the Caribbeans and many more, so you get to enjoy yourself, guys. Okay, so that's what we have it, and I'm going, guys. Don't forget to seal in your moisture with, of course, a potent hair butter that I make here on my channel. And of course, oh my god, I'm feeling cute, looking cute. And of course, if you like that too, man, go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and I'm going to see you on the video on the screen. All right, for real this time, yo. Bye.